Thank you for taking the time to learn about Doctella. Doctella comes from the word novella, with the idea that the patient's short story will help improve outcomes. Patients have a number of problems where most of them feel like they don't have enough time with their doctor. Patients are struggling to remember what they were told. They only have a couple of minutes to understand complex info, and a lot of the information on the internet is confusing. Healthcare also has problems, where medical errors amount for 17 billion in extra spending. It's a leading cause of death in the U.S., and patients generally don't generally feel disrespected or not listened to. Healthcare providers are addressing these problems, but have a number of challenges. And if we look at these challenges and problems, there's a common thread that connects each of these, and that is communication. Communication is part of the solution and is a cause a lot of the problems and challenges that we have. Now, patients are a critical part of the solution, and we know that the patient's story is so critical because without seeing a full view, good things do not happen. And hospitals are looking for tools to solve these problems and also address the related survey and scores and manage the risk, which is related to value-based payment programs. And this is where Doctella comes in. Doctella is founded by experts in quality, safety, and technology. The team is using proven ideas. We know that checklists help save lives and provide quality care. We know that treating patients as customers helps improve satisfaction, but the challenge is we just don't have enough time to spend an hour with each patient. Well, that's what Doctella does, is it helps solve this problem by providing a technology platform. Doctella's patient engagement solution consists of helping the patients and doctors prepare ahead of time by using questions, pre-populated answers, to-dos, preferences, shared decision-making, and reminders across the continuum of care even before preparing for your doctor visit, talking to your doctor, informing your plan of care, during the plan of care, and even recovery at home. And the platform is available today. You can go to doctella.com, download the app, and let's take a quick demo. Here's the website of Doctella.com. When patients discover the website by either getting a link from their provider, or discovering us online, and when patients put in look for a particular procedure, like in this case breast, they're given a number of search results, and as you can see, they're provided checklists, conditions, and even related organizations. Here's an example of how a checklist looks like before surgery, day of surgery, after surgery. Here's how a conditions page looks like, which has general information about, in this case, breast cancer procedure, healthcare team, specialized checklist, and even additional resources. Here's an example of a customized portal. So this is a portal that we've created for Dr. Glad, where Dr. Glad has listed the procedures that he does and even added the answers for his procedures. Here's an example of how a customized portal looks like for a hospital. So in this case, the GBMC hospital, and this is how their checklists look like. When their checklist is printed, it comes out with their logo and their colors, so that patients know that this is a service provided by their institution. Here's an example of the patient passport. So what users can do is fill out their information, their preferences ahead of time, and when this is printed out, it prints out as a beautiful PDF that can be shared with doctors and physicians and nurses. Here's an example of the app where when patients, this is the home screen of the app, patients can find a particular procedure, they can see their checklist, before surgery, day of surgery, after surgery, both things to do and their questions. Patients also can also select a particular user. Let's say, for example, in this case, Dr. Glatt. These are Dr. Glatt's questions. Dr. Glatt's checklists are then shown in the app. This can be customized for your institution. In this case, Dr. Glatt has actually added even answers, so you can see the answers. And patients can also input their passport and show their passport right here in the mobile app. The system is being used by has been reviewed and used by multiple doctors with excellent response. We've got a number of reviews from patients with very positive comments. The system is easily used by hospitals. We give you a live portal that branded for your institution that you can link to your website, and you can send a link of these questions and doctor portals to patients, either through email reminders or mailers. Deploying Doctella in the enterprise is simple. You just add the Doctella web portal to your website, and you send patients and families scheduled for surgery or hospitalization the email link or physical mailer. We provide a detailed analytics with dashboard, so you're able to see the usage, and we can also provide detailed analytics per user, and also engage in creating a Doctella engagement score, which provides an engagement score for each patient. The product's informed by existing evidence, vision, and existing evidence, and here's a number of white papers and survey of evidence that is available for you to review. We also have, so here's a table that shows you what Doctella offers. There's the Doctella.com public website where you can link to that at no cost. There's a pilot program. We have limited opportunities, and we would love to engage with you to identify a pilot in your organization. We can offer the customized branding, which I showed, and then we can also offer customized doctor portals, which you also saw in the demo. In terms of next step, we would love for your help to spread the word. This is a free resource, so you can tell it to your patients. If you love the idea, we would love to connect with you on piloting the Doctella platform, and we look forward to getting your feedback. Here's more contact information on how to get a pilot and customized information. Thank you very much. My name is Amr Heather, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Doctella.